Hi, my name is Christine. I'm a wound nurse and ostomy nurse, and I work for HPFY. I'd like to talk with you about gelling agents that you can place in your ostomy pouch. This helps to gel liquid output, and by doing this, it helps to reduce leakage of your pouching system. It increases wear time, and it reduces any noise from any liquid sloshing in the pouch. There are a couple of products available out there. Kijek makes Diamond. It's a gelling and odor control sachet. There are Trio Pearls, which is also a gelling and odor control sachet. Cymed makes lle-Sorb, which is just controls gelling. There's no odor control with that. And then Secure Health makes a product called Gel X, and that's a tablet that you would put in the pouch that would help with that gelling process. All of these products are available on HPFY.